What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. Today I want to show you how to make $1,000 on YouTube in the next 30 days. Now I'm going to be going through 3 simple steps to get you from the idea to actually making money, okay? So if you're ready, you want to start making money on YouTube and make $1,000 in the next 30 days, then follow along. Let's go. All right, so the first thing you need to do if you want to make $1,000 on YouTube, you're not going to get there, especially early on, if you are trying to go after the YouTube ad revenue, okay? You're not going to make $1,000. It's just not going to happen. But here is how you can get there. The first thing you got to do is you have to choose your niche. You have to choose your topic. What's the topic of your channel? If you don't know what that is, then you need to figure that out right now. One of the most common questions I get from people is, well, how do I know what to talk about? How do I know what people are interested in? Well, it's actually pretty simple. So once you choose your niche, okay, be very, generic. So fitness, cooking, making money online. Don't narrow it down just yet. So let's say you choose fitness, for example. Okay, great. Now you choose fitness, but what do people want to know about? Here's how you figure that out. Okay, so let's say you type in how to gain muscle quickly. Okay, we just type in some idea. Okay, what we want to do is we're going to go find somewhat of an expert, somebody that has a decent sized channel here on YouTube that we can kind of reproduce and recreate some of the good content they've already created. Here's what I mean. So for example, one person that does extremely well, I think his name is Jeff Cavalier with Athlean X. Okay, so I'm going to click on that. Here's how you know if it's a good thing or not. Come over here, you click on videos. So we clicked on videos. Right now, it's sorted by, I think, relevance. Or no, the most recent. We want to do the most popular. So we got date added oldest, date added newest, which is actually what it's doing now. Then we got most popular. We want to click most popular. And it doesn't matter what the channel is, what the niche is, you always want to do most popular. Here's the reason why. You want to go through here and find a video that's been created most recently that has the most views. Okay, so for example, this one was 4 years ago, 16 million views. Yeah, it has a lot of views, but it was created a while ago. These 3 right here, created 1 year ago, have 12, and 11 million views. Let's see if we can find something within the past year. So within so many months. Okay, so let's look and see, because we want to find something that has a lot of views and has been created most recently. This was done 11 months ago. That's still not very recent. Let's see. He has a lot of videos, so it might be tough. This might be a tough one to use. Okay, but we're gonna try it and see. Let's see. A year ago, 2 years ago, he's created videos. He's been doing this for a while. Here's one right here. Do this every morning, workout or not. Okay, 2.9 million views 8 months ago. That one's not bad. Okay, so if we were to create something very similar to this, do this every morning, workout or not, my morning routine, or something along that line. What's going to happen is if you start creating more and more of these videos, more people are going to see them because people already want to watch them. Now I know that you came here because you want to know how to make $1,000 in the next 30 days on YouTube. Well, this is just one part of it. Okay, you have to get the views on YouTube if you want to make any money, because the next step is you need to monetize your videos, monetize your channel in some way. I like to do it using affiliate marketing. Okay, if you're not really sure about affiliate marketing or really how to go about it, get into it, make some sales. Okay, I'm gonna go over a little bit here inside this video, but I also have a course. I'll put the link down to the course in the description box below. It's called Affiliate Marketing on YouTube, $1,000 in 45 days. $1,000 in 45 days is not a guarantee. It just shows you my plan on how you can get there. Okay, but if you do everything a little bit faster, you can get there in 30 days. I have students get there in about 20. I've had a student get there in less than a week. Okay, it's not typical, but it does happen. So let me show you this. Okay, let's do another one. Let's do how about we do cooking? Okay, how to make a meatloaf. Okay, let's try to find a decent channel right here. How about this one? In the Kitchen with Gina Young. Let's click on that one. First one, I'm going to click on videos. Okay, and then one of the other things you can do, in addition to going back finding the most popular, you can go and just, it's already sorted by newest. So we can come right here and we can see, okay, which video has been created most recently that has the most views, has a spike. That would be this one, how to make Jamaican brown stew chicken. Okay, 5 days ago, 21,000 views. 5 days ago, 10,000. You see it spiked, it almost doubled. Okay, here's another one a week ago, 15,000. Okay, here's a week ago, 22,000. How to make surprise deviled eggs for Easter. You see the spike. Okay, so that's one way to do it. The other way is to actually go and find the most popular videos on her channel and pretty much recreate and make them better. Okay, so this one, 10 months ago, 1.4 million views. Honey garlic glazed chicken thigh. Okay, this one, 8 months ago, better than anything cake. Okay, you get the idea. You want to create something very similar, almost use the exact same title. You can add stuff to it, but almost use the exact same title because that's going to help it when, let me show you really quick. This will give you a better idea. I'm going to go ahead and pause this. I'm going to get out of this view, okay? And in one of these, let's see, overview, let's see, social. I'm going to find it just a second. Channel, mark tags, SEO, somewhere around here. So this one right here, so her channel right here gets on average daily subs almost 700 subs a day. So what this is going to do is if you do something that's better than anything cake, chances are your video is going to be shown next to hers somewhere down here in the up next, in the suggested videos over here. And that's what you want. That's what you need if you want to make money. Okay, so now I showed you how to go about getting some views, how you target the videos that are already being seen, already being suggested by YouTube. But here's the next step. There is a affiliate network. It's called clickbank.com. It's one I highly recommend. It's one that I recommend inside my course as well. But you come over here, you can actually create an account. I'm not going to do that for the sake of this video, but all you do is come to the affiliate marketplace once you have an account. Let's say we want to find something on fitness, so we come down here to health and fitness, wherever it's at, right there, health and fitness, and let's say we're talking about, let's say ab workout, okay? So we're going to type in abs, just like that. So here's one right here. The Amazing Ab Solution. Okay, so we click on that, and this could be the video, this could be the course that we're going to promote. Because every time we promote this course, you know, we're going to make about $30. Okay, make about $30 on average. That's pretty good. Okay, you can come down here, you can read all about it, you can look at the, you know, the page. Okay, great. You know, happy people, abs. All right. Come down here, all the way to the bottom. You see, I want amazing abs. There it is. I want amazing abs, 60-day money-back guarantee, I think. Not sure how much it costs. There you go. Yes, I want amazing abs. All right. ClickBank, $39, and you're going to make, what do you make on that? $30, something like that, 27. So you make a decent amount of it. I think you're going to get about 60%. So that's pretty good, okay? So that's one of the things that you do is once you have that, you're going to click on this promote button, and you can put your link down in the description box of your video. Okay, it's that simple. So step one was you just need to choose your niche. Okay, step two, you have to start creating videos based around the popular topics people are already talking about, have already created videos on, because that shows it's a proven system. It does work. People are already watching that video, so why reinvent the wheel? Why create something different? Okay. And again, if you're struggling to to come up with ideas, or you're struggling to come up with ways to create a new video, or being consistent, go get the course. Okay. Go get the course. Again, it's down in the description box below. Go and get it right now. Okay. It will help you out. Now, one other thing that I want to say is that it doesn't matter how much you spend on courses. It doesn't matter how much learning you do. If you do not take action, you'll never make any money. Okay? The next step that I want to address is you need to put affiliate links inside your description box. Don't put a link to a product over on Amazon if it's not an affiliate link, because you're not making any money. Okay? Don't send people off of YouTube if they're not going to go buy something that's going to, put some commissions into your pocket, because you're just sending people away and you're not going to grow your channel, you're not going to make any money, so it's pretty much just useless. Why even create the video? Okay, and the next thing I just want to say is it's all about consistency. Once you find a recipe that works, you choose your niche. Okay, great. You figured it out. Okay, you're into cooking, you're into fitness, you're going to make money online, whatever it is. Choose that niche. Okay, the next thing, be consistent. Create videos that are already being watched. Okay, don't reinvent the wheel, like I said. Create videos that are already being watched around a topic, around a subject, around an idea that people already are interested in, because that's the quickest way for you to get any traction here on YouTube. And the last thing, be consistent and always put an affiliate link inside your video. If you do this, every single video you create, it's going to be more chances that you actually make money. Now, I want to show you one more thing. Okay, so here on YouTube, let's say I type in weight loss. Okay, here's one other thing that I want to just address, and it's a tip that I give you inside the course, but I'm going to give it to you right now. So let's say how I lost 50 pounds in 5 months. Okay, let's say you had a similar weight loss journey. Here's one of the things you can do. Okay, so first off, if your video is being, and you can see right here, this video gets 150 views per hour. Okay, it was done months ago, but still gets 150 views per hour, which is good. Okay, so if this video is still getting 150 views per hour, that means if you have your video that's almost the exact same title, How I Lost 50 Pounds in 5 Months, My Weight Loss Story, it might show up right here. Okay, but here's the other thing. Here's the difference between some things that I do and some things that other people do. One thing I recommend inside my course is if you took any motivation from this video, from Stephanie Ross or Rose, what I would do is I include her name as one of the tags of my video, and down in the description box at the very bottom, I'd write this video was, this video was in response to, or in addition to, or was motivated by Stephanie Rose and the video she created on how I lost 50 pounds in 5 months. And I would include a link, okay? And I would actually include the link to this video inside my description box. And I do this because then it adds one more element and another link in between my video and her video. And so that's another way for YouTube to connect us both. So it's not just I'm writing her name, Stephanie Rose, as a tag inside my video, but I'm also referencing her video in my description box or even in my video. And so because that, YouTube has a connection between us, so the chances of YouTube actually promoting my video as the up next video or suggested video after hers is more likely to happen. And that's one of the keys, and that's one of the differences between having just a little bit of an understanding of YouTube and having a very good understanding of YouTube and how the algorithm works. And so that's exactly what I explain inside my courses, how it works and how you can actually take advantage of the algorithm and turn it in your favor. Alright, so hopefully you're able to follow along in that video. If you did and you enjoyed it and you're going to start making some money, make sure you smash that thumbs up button. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you subscribe, click that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.